Chapter 12 Ratio and Proportion. Students, let us solve examples of exercise 12.1. Question 1. There are 20 girls and 15 boys in a class. A. What is the ratio of number of girls to the number of boys? B. What is the ratio of number of girls to the total number of students in the class? Before solving answer of this question, let us understand what is ratio. Ratio is a way to show the relationship or compare two numbers of the same kind. We use ratio to compare things of the same type. For example, number of girls to the number of boys in your classroom. Let us understand some rules of solving ratios. While writing ratio, you place the first term first. Means what, student? Ratio of number of girls to the number of boys is given. So first, which ratio is given? Number of girls. So we will write value of number of girls in numerator and then value of number of boys in denominator. We can also place ratio in form of fractions. Now let us start solving examples of exercise 12.1. So in this question it is given that there are 20 girls. So number of girls equals to 20. And it is given there are 15 boys. Number of boys equals to 15. Now we have to also find total number of students, because in B it is asked that you have to find ratio of number of girls to the total number of students. So for finding total number of students, we will add number of girls plus number of boys. That is equals to 20 plus 15 equals to 35. Now let us find ratio. A. The ratio of girls to that of boys. So in the ratio of girls, which number we will write? 20. That is equals to 20 upon 15. 15 is number of boys. Now we have to find this in lowest term. 5 4s are and 5 3s are. So what is the ratio of girls to that of boys? 4 ratio 3. Question number B. The ratio of girls to total students. Means total students and the ratio of girls. So first term is given is what? Ratio of girls. So ratio of girls is how many? 20. Hence we will write 20 upon total students. So total students is how many? 35. So 20 upon 35. Now 20 and 35 we have to write it in lowest term. 5 4s are and 5 7s are. That is equals to 4 ratio 7. Question number 2. Out of 30 students in a class, 6 like football, 12 like cricket and remaining like tennis. Find the ratio of number of students liking football to number of students liking tennis. B. Number of students liking cricket to total number of students. First of all, students, let us understand this question. There are total 30 students in a class. From that, 6 like football and 12 like cricket. And it is given that remaining like tennis. Means we don't have how many number of students like tennis given value. Total number is 30 students. From that we will subtract 6 and 12 because we know that 6 like football and 12 like cricket. And we will find number of students liking tennis also. So let us find solution of this question. Total number of students equals to 30. Number of students like football. So how many number of students like football? 6. Number of students like cricket equals to 12. Now let us find number of students like tennis. Thus, number of students like tennis equals to 30 minus 6 minus 12. Why we have done subtractions? Because these two are the sports which is already liked by the students. So that is equals to 12. Now let us find answers of the given question. The ratio of students like football, that of tennis. Now how many number of students like football? 6. And how many number of students like tennis? 12. So 6 upon 12. Now we have to find lowest term of this fraction. 6 ones are 6 twos are. That is equals to 1 upon 2 equals to 1:2. The ratio of students like cricket to the total students. So how many students like cricket? 12 students. And how many total students are there? 30. 12 upon 30. That is, we have to find lowest term of this fraction. 6 twos are 6 fives are. 2 upon 5 equals to 2:5. Question number 3. See the figure and find the ratio of. Now, are there 2 squares, 3 triangles and 2 circles. Now, we have to give answers of the given question. A. Number of triangles to the number of circles inside the rectangle. So, and B. Number of squares to all the figures inside the rectangle. And C. Number of circles to all the figures inside the rectangle. So, let us find answers of the different questions. First is given number of triangles to the number of circles. So how many triangles are? A. Number of triangles to the number of circles. So how many number of triangles are there? 1, 2 and 3. And how many circles are there? 2. So we will write ratio of number of triangles to that of number of circle equals to 3 upon 2. That is equals to 3:2. Number B. Number of squares to all the figures inside. So how many number of squares are there? 2. And how many total number of figures are there inside? So let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So what we will write? 2 upon 7. B. Ratio of number of squares to all the figures equals to 2 upon 7 equals to 2:7. Ratio of number of circles to all figures. So circles, 2 circles were there and all figures are 7. So 2 upon 7 equals to 2:7. Question number 4. Distances travelled by Hamid and Akhtar in an hour are 9 km and 12 km. Find the ratio of speed of Hamid to the speed of Akhtar. Now here we have to find speed of Hamid to speed of Akhtar. Before finding this, we should know speed formula. We know that speed equals to distance upon time. So distance is what? 9 km and 12 km of Hamid and Akhtar. Time, how much time is there? An hour means 1 hour. So let us write speed of Hamid equals to 9 km upon 1 hour. That is equals to 9 km per hour. Speed of Akhtar equals to 12 km upon 1 hour. That is equals to 12 km per hour. Now, we have to find ratio of speed of Hamid to that of ratio of Akhtar. So, ratio of speed of Hamid equals to 9 upon Akhtar's speed is 12. So, 9 upon 12. Now we will find lowest term of this fraction. 3 threes are and 3 fours are. That is equals to 3 upon 4 equals to 3:4. Thank you.